It's 4 o'clock in the morning and we're up and ready to go to Malta. Well, there's a fault on the plane, so we're going to have to go back. Let's turn the plane off. Well, there are people up there visiting the cockpit, so they're doing something. There's a man down there. We're off. We've been waiting 2.5 hours. But we're off now. You'll never believe it. They're shutting the engines down again. So we're not going after all. I was lying. I can hear a sound like a dog barking. Bob's talking to Lucy. Right, we're returning to base for a reset. Oh, we're going backwards again. I hope we're not only going to do another 10 yards. 5 hours and 20 minutes.
It's already begun. You are my one. With a simple mind, we should find some more time. We don't need to worry a soul. It's already begun. You are my one. We just dance, find romance, second chance. We don't need to worry at all.
We've just got to buy ourselves a bottle of wine because we need something. And here we are. There's the Azura again. Right, here we go. Getting on. And here we go. We're on. We're in. We've actually got in. Here, this is our room. And they've offered us some kind of buffet. Or we can just go up to the Venusian and have something to eat. Oh, bags, that was quick. Yeah, just 2. That was Jim. A free glass of champagne. It's nice. Oh, that'll do me. It's absolutely beautiful out here when the ship's sailing. You get such a good view. It's nice and quiet at the moment because all the new people like us are getting on. And we've had our quick meal before the others have got down here because we know our way around. And there's the lady. Oh, she's sitting down ready for a champagne. He's bringing it. Oh, I just heard the pop of the bottle. It's a plastic glass.
We just dance, find romance, second chance. We don't need to worry at
all. The Hawkman that we met a little while ago, he's down there on the last door, the red door. Next to the blue one, which is oval, on the left is a square red door, and he's there with his birds of prey. What's he doing there? Oh, looking out to sea, I suppose. Who's that woman? It's Flonty. It's another one of those fellas. It's that woman again. All because that lady likes milk tray. That crane over there is made up to be a giraffe. There's a blooming heap of junk over there. That's it. We're moving away. We're leaving Malta. We didn't even get a chance to look at it. Good job we've been here before, isn't
Well,
it?
good job I didn't get off.
It's good. Oh yeah, good job Bod didn't get off. She was going to get off to get some water. It's a good job she didn't, because she might have been down there in my video waving at the ship with me saying, your husband's on there.